Good morning.
Good morning.
Well, the rally was a lot of fun, wasn't it?
It was a lot of fun. And now everybody's leaving.
Everybody's leaving this morning, so it was really cold last night though.
Oh, it's been so cold.
It was like 28 degrees or some silly thing.
Yeah, 9 o'clock this morning it was still 30.
Yeah.
But it's sunshine. There's so much sunshine and blue skies, so you really can't complain.
So check out this view behind us. I mean, it's a pretty cool view. It's been fun.
Oh, it's all around us.
Yeah.
The rocks are everywhere.
So people are leaving. We're going to stay another 2 days. We decided to stay a full week here, and so we're going to stay another couple of days. Watts on Wheels is right over here. Check out their view and their setup. It's been a lot of fun.
Yeah, it has been. Everybody's been so nice. And
so we're going to say our goodbyes to everybody this morning from the rally, and then we are going to go out to dinner with Watts on Wheels, and then tomorrow they're leaving, and tomorrow is cleanup day, getting ready to pack up and go, and we're going to the high country of Arizona, which I looked at the forecast and it looks like it's going to be a little chilly too.
So instead of chasing 70,
oh my gosh,
we're chasing 30.
Yeah. So we're gonna try we're gonna see how long we last in Sholo, Arizona.
Yeah.
In October.
Yeah.
So we'll try that. We'll keep you posted, and come on along.
Everything unlocked.
So what are we doing, Karen?
We're putting the spiders up on the truck.
Yeah.
Yeah. We're done for the week, so.
Because it's too cold?
Oh no, it's nice out, but we have to leave tomorrow, so we got to pack up.
All right.
So sad.
Okay.
All good things must come to an end.
Yeah.
They tell me.
We got 2 buckets, one on this side and one on that side. And when all the stuff is gone, we know that we did everything right. If there's any pieces left over, then we know, oops, we missed something.
Golden rule. Don't get your finger caught. grunts, no dings. No
There you go.
Yay!
I do like.
No blood. Yeah.
That's I fall off the ladder.
Impales himself in the rebarb. Good morning from Moab, Utah. Where it's beautiful sunshine and flippin' cold.
Yes, it is. Record cold temperatures for the month of October in Utah.
Yes, and we're here right in the middle of it.
So what did you guys think of that that loading video of the Can Ams? That was pretty cool.
So cool.
Karen and Dave said that they were going to load their bikes, and I thought, oh, what a great opportunity for a video.
Yeah, absolutely.
So they allowed us to film it, and that was pretty neat. It was.
They're just cool.
They're cool people. They are our newfound friends on the road, so they're a lot of fun.
Yeah, they
Unfortunately, like we always say, when you meet people on the road, some great people like the Watts, that they go one way, we go another way.
Yes.
But we're already making plans to cross paths in the future.
Yes, absolutely.
So anyway, that'll be a lot of fun. So anyway, Karen and Dave, check out their channel, Watts on Wheels, and they've got an awesome channel. Yeah, go subscribe to their channel and take a look at their Facebook page and their Instagram.
And their website. We'll link everything down below, so you can just click on it and go right to it.
Yeah, they're awesome people, and they're a lot of fun. You guys are going to really enjoy them, I think. And by the way, for the people that came over from Watts on Wheels and subscribed to our channel, thank you very much. You guys, welcome to the family.
Yes.
We've got a great community here, and we really appreciate you guys checking us out and hitting that subscribe button. It's awesome.
Yes, we really appreciate it.
We hope we can do you justice. So thank you for coming along.
Yep.
In the meantime, we are packing up. The SOITC Rally was awesome. Sorry we didn't get much footage of it. Karen did a great presentation on how to document your journey while you're living full-time on the road. And that was a lot of fun. She's going to post it on her site. And then we had some entertainment at night. Yeah. They catered a dinner for us and had entertainment, and that was really cool. Yep. And we just met a lot of new special friends while we were there. So, oh, there goes Dave. He's Watts on Wheels. Watts on Wheels. So anyway, we had a great time at the rally, and Moab was fun, but darn it, it was cold. So anyway,
but sunshine.
We are packing up, and Watts on Wheels is headed west, and Sweet Travels is headed south.
Or as Karen says, Sweet Tea.
Sweet Tea.
That's our new name, is Sweet Tea.
So anyway, we want to thank you for coming along on our journey. We hope we entertain you, give you some suggestions, and thank you again to your new subscribers for coming along. We really appreciate it. If you're a new subscriber, hit us up in the comments below. You know, let us know that you're here. That'd be awesome. We think everybody is a family. Yeah. Oh, Karen's gonna photobomb us.
Bye, Sweet Tea. Love you guys.
These guys are so awesome.
Oh my gosh.
These guys are so awesome.
Sad.
You gotta check them out if you haven't already. They're just fun people.
Yes. Crazy.
Crazy.
I like that. You're crazy.
So goodbye to Watts on Wheels.
Goodbye to Sweet Tea.
And
see you next time.
See you next time. And in the meantime,
first we gotta do.
Oh yeah.
Watts on Wheels.
Watts on Wheels. Out.
Out. Go out and explore.
Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.
Watts on Wheels. Out.